West Birdville Elementary is the oldest elementary campus in Birdville. Box Tops has been an incredible resource for West Birdville Elementary. Through the program, we've been able to have authors come out and celebrate with our students and our staff.
Today is a special day at our school. We are having award-winning author Susan Stevens-Crummell. She will be doing some presentations for our students, doing a book signing, and judging our door decoration contest.
I love speaking in front of the students because they get so excited about reading and writing, and I make them laugh. If I can bring a little joy and a laughter as well as inspire them and have them be creative, then I've done my job.
I'm scissors!
Box Tops has provided so much to West Birdville Elementary. Without the program, we wouldn't be able to bring in the authors and to have these great days of celebration like we do.
Earn 100 bonus Box Tops at Sam's Club when you buy 3 participating items via the Box Tops bonus app.